In this video, let's talk about the new cloud collaboration updates with LucidLink. Real quick, you're watching VP Land. Special thanks to our sponsors, Blackmagic, View, and LucidLink for helping make our NAB coverage possible. And now, back to the video. All right, so we're here at LucidLink. For people not familiar, what is LucidLink?
LucidLink is a cloud storage collaboration platform that helps people work from any location on large projects, video, design, VFX. No matter what size their files are, it helps them work remotely or from multiple offices. And it saves them time by letting them use those files straight into their applications without having to download those files first.
Yeah, the magic of LucidLink, when I've used it, it just shows up as a hard drive on your computer. Even though the files are in the cloud, they just work as if they're files on your computer.
Exactly, that's what your applications need. Just another folder on your desktop, and you can use it as it is.
And so what are some of the updates? I know now we can kind of see the files through a web interface.
Yeah, so we have web accessibility in beta right now.
Okay.
We just launched this for the show at NAB. We also have officially launched our Android and iOS applications.
Okay.
So you can now review files that are in your LucidLink file space, not just from your desktop, but also from your mobile devices.
Okay, and what can you do? I'm assuming playback. Can you comment or leave other notes?
Not yet. So right now we are only able to preview the files.
Okay.
You can play back. Later this year we are going to introduce also write access to the file space.
So you could upload from your phone?
You can upload from your phone or from the web browser as well.
And what other, I know there's also a bit of the kind of restructuring how the pricing works. So can you walk me through what those changes are?
Absolutely. So last year in November, we introduced the new LucidLink, which we had to restructure a little bit of our pricing model because we introduced a partnership with AWS.
Okay.
So now we are able to use AWS as our default storage provider. And we were able to include in our pricing with AWS also egress. So at one fee, you are getting your users, your storage, and no extra charges for egress. So we can bring this unique pricing with AWS to our product.
So as much as you're using it, you're not running the risk of overages of
unpredictable
time you're accessing the files or too much or something.
Exactly.
Okay.
And here at NAB, we are also extending that partnership with AWS. We will now be available on the AWS Marketplace. So companies that already have agreements with them, they can use those credits that they have towards purchasing LucidLink.
Okay, so like if a company already has their files on an AWS bucket, they can access it?
No, it is more for easing the procurement process, not so much the onboarding process. But the procurement process for the admins and the IT professionals is getting much easier with approvals and security compliance. Okay,
and just with LucidLink and sort of the remote workflows that it enables, what have you seen kind of just like interesting projects or just how like interesting use cases that it enables?
Yeah, very interesting. At NAB in general, we're used to seeing more media production companies traditionally in broadcasting. While they are still present, we're now seeing a lot more marketing teams, agencies coming through, working on their creative projects because now content is such an important part of any business. So the projects are getting bigger, the deadlines are getting tighter, and people are trying to expand with how many locations they can access talent from. This is why we're focusing on our features that we've been releasing so that we can ease that scalability for our customers.
Right. Access to files anywhere.
Access to files anywhere, but also easy onboarding for their teammates.
Yeah. Cool. Well, thank you so much for the updates.
Absolutely. My pleasure. Thank you.
That's it for this video. Thanks again to our sponsors for helping make our NAB coverage possible. For more NAB videos, be sure to check out our playlist right here. I'll catch you in the next episode.